Tesla has completed the upgrades to the Model Y and Model 3 assembly lines at Giga Shanghai. This also means that the electric automaker will be able to start working toward its goal of producing 22,000 Model 3 and Model Y vehicles per week at the Chinese factory. The factory is expected to reach an annualized production run rate of 5,000 cars per day by the end of 2022. Welcome to First Class Tech, and in this video, we'll take a look at some updates about the Giga Shanghai production and future updates. Curious to know? Let's find out. The expansion of Tesla's Giga Shanghai production capacity is now complete. The details were revealed in a statement on a Shanghai government platform for environmental disclosures on Monday. A lengthy report on the city's industrial progress also mentioned Tesla's completion of upgrades to its China-based plant. According to a statement on the Shanghai government platform, Giga Shanghai's fully upgraded production lines will be tested from September 19 to November 30. The upgrades should help Giga Shanghai become Tesla's most productive electric car plant this year. According to previous reports, the electric vehicle manufacturer has been attempting to increase its vehicle production output to around 2,200 Model 3 and Model Y units per day. Tesla China VP Grace Tao recently stated that the supply chain for Gigafactory Shanghai was 95% localized. Suppliers in the Yangtze River Delta are also within a 4-hour drive. Last November, the state-backed newspaper Beijing Daily reported that Tesla was planning to invest about $170 million to expand Giga Shanghai's production capacity. The upgrades will also allow Tesla to employ 4,000 more people at the facility. The state-backed newspaper estimated that the upgrades will be completed in April. However, Giga Shanghai's momentum was halted in late March and April as China implemented its most stringent COVID-related shutdowns since the outbreak's inception. With Shanghai shut down, Tesla's China-based EV plant came to a halt, and even when it resumed, normal operations take some time to resume. During Tesla's Q2 2022 earnings call, Elon Musk emphasized this. A third shift of workers is also expected to be added to the factory by Giga Shanghai. According to Tesla China, recent upgrades to the production lines have increased the factory's capacity. The Shanghai Gigafactory is expected to produce 1,000 to 2,000 Model 3 units per day, in addition to a third shift. The Model Y assembly line would have a daily capacity of up to 2,200 units. So, just to recap Q2 was a one-of-a-kind quarter for Tesla due to a prolonged shutdown of our Shanghai factory. Despite these obstacles, it was one of the strongest quarters in our history. Most importantly, we set production records in both Fremont and Shanghai in June, Elon Musk said during the most recent earnings call. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the top. The third quarter is coming to an end, and a pattern is emerging among the regions served by Tesla's Gigafactory Shanghai. Following a recent round of upgrades, Tesla's China factory's vehicle delivery wait times for Model 3 and Model Y variants are getting shorter. According to Piper Sandler analyst Alexander Potter, this could be a scary prospect for Tesla's automotive rivals. Potter noted in a client note that Tesla China could very well post higher monthly production totals in the coming months. This could be the case in September, because it is Giga Shanghai's first full month of production in the third quarter that has not been interrupted by a factory upgrade. According to optimistic estimates from TSLA Bulls Online, Giga Shanghai may even sell 100,000 vehicles in September. As production ramps up and wait time decrease, we believe Tesla will remain uniquely capable of meeting consumer EV demand at palatable price points. While other brands struggle to ramp up production, Tesla will presumably start cutting prices, thereby increasing market share at the expense of everyone else, Potter wrote in a note. We think it's a scary prospect for other brands if Tesla's upstream supply bottlenecks truly are breaking, the Piper Sandler analyst added. However, the analyst cautioned Tesla investors not to express gross margins to sustainably exceed 30%, as they did in 2021 and early 2022. This was due to the fact that, while Tesla's vehicle output is increasing, the company's margin expansion would most likely be limited by price cuts. Even when Tesla was under constant attack from short sellers, the company insisted that it does not have a demand problem. Instead, Tesla's sales have been constrained by the number of vehicles it can produce. With the company now able to produce more cars than ever before, thanks to the expansion of facilities such as Giga Shanghai, Tesla's share of the auto market is only going to grow. Tesla China VP Grace Tao recently shared some key insights about the operations of the Giga Shanghai factory. According to the executive, Tesla's China-based factory supply chain is becoming increasingly efficient. Gigafactory Shanghai has become an increasingly important part of Tesla's overall operations. Since its opening in late 2019, the facility has grown to become Tesla's largest factory in terms of output. It is also Tesla's primary vehicle export hub, shipping Model 3 sedans and Model Y crossovers to places like Europe. Tesla China sold 76,965 vehicles in August, with 62,169 Model Y crossovers and 14,976 Model 3 sedans. Following Tesla China's strategy of dividing the second month of a quarter's output between exports and the domestic market, 34,502 vehicles were sold in China and 42,463 were shipped abroad. Tesla China's best-selling month remains June 2022, when the company sold 78,906 vehicles. Tesla drone flyovers of the Shanghai South Port Terminal, which was packed with massive amounts of Model 3 and Model Y last month, teased China's 42,463 exports in August. Tesla China appears to have only completed the third quarter's vehicle exports near the end of August, based on footage and photographs taken at the port. Tesla China's 76,965 wholesale figures represent a 73.88% year-over-year increase and a 172.76% month-over-month increase. To put things in perspective, Tesla China sold 44,264 vehicles in August 2021 and 28,217 vehicles in July 2022. It should be noted that the July 2022 figures were delayed in part due to upgrades implemented in the Model 3 and Model Y lines at Gigafactory Shanghai. Interestingly, Tesla China's August results were very close to the estimates provided by CPCA Secretary General Q Dongshu earlier this month, who stated that the electric vehicle maker's sales were expected to be around 77,000 units. Kui's estimate was only 35 units short of Tesla China's actual numbers. Kui also stated that Tesla China's capacity utilization has been steadily improving, with production remaining strong since the end of July. This enabled the electric vehicle manufacturer to sell an impressive number of vehicles despite supply chain challenges as well as droughts and heat waves in some areas of China. Following recent upgrades, Gigafactory Shanghai is expected to be able of producing approximately 3,000 vehicles per day, effectively making it Tesla's largest factory in terms of output. These upgrades are expected to allow Giga Shanghai to increase its production capacity to approximately 1.1 to 1.12 vehicles per year. In recent comments to local news outlets, Tesla China Vice President shared some details about the development of Gigafactory Shanghai. According to the executive, Giga Shanghai's supply chain is now 95% localized. Furthermore, Tesla China's suppliers for the facility are only a 4-hour drive away in the Yangtze River Delta region. Gigafactory Shanghai has the potential to become even more efficient than it is now, with a fully localized supply chain and other suppliers within reach. This could allow Tesla China to increase vehicle production in the country without relying on external factors. Tesla, so far, China's growth and achievements have been extremely impressive. Tesla listed Giga Shanghai as its largest factory by volume in its Q2 2022 update letter, with an estimated output of over 750,000 vehicles per year. Following a recent round of upgrades, this figure is now considered conservative, with estimates going to Giga Shanghai producing around 3,000 vehicles per day. Elon Musk clearly appreciates the Tesla China team's efforts. Some members of the audience asked Musk during the Cyber Roundup or the 2022 annual shareholding meeting if Tesla would engage in friendly competition among its gigafactories. Musk joked that Gigafactory Shanghai would be difficult to beat if such a thing occurred. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your future predictions for the Giga Shanghai production? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in